Once upon a time, in a land where the sky met the earth in a gentle embrace, there lived a village that relied on the blessings of both the sun and the rain. Every day, the villagers would look up at the vast expanse above, hoping for clear skies to tend to their crops. But their hearts danced with joy when dark clouds rolled in, bringing the promise of life-giving rain. Among the villagers was a young girl named Maya, who had a special connection with the sky and the rain. She could sense the subtle shifts in the wind and smell the earth before the rain fell. One day, when the village faced a severe drought, Maya climbed to the highest hill and whispered to the clouds, pleading for their mercy. Moved by Maya's earnest plea, the sky shed tears of compassion, and the rain poured down in a symphony of relief. The parched earth drank greedily, and the fields rejoiced with newfound life. From that day forward, the villagers revered Maya as the guardian of their land, knowing that her bond with the sky and the rain would always ensure their prosperity.